LaBritta Dobin and Malcolm Duvall. We're already on all those.
Dobin and the last one was DeBose.
DeBose, yes. I'm sorry, DeVoe. Malcolm DeVoe.
Okay, DeVoe, okay.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Did officer check in on this move?
Officer Dismute. No, the officer didn't. That's why I brought in Mr. Did I bring Mr. Demute out?
Yeah, because this is a formal hearing. The officer hasn't checked in. It's almost 10.
Yeah, and his attorney is here. I'm bringing him out too. Attorney Davis and Desmute. Hold on. Desmute. I bring out Desmute. Kenneth Desmute. Attorney Davis.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Desmond, please remove your cap from your head. I'm about to open up court. One, two, three. Okay, we waiting on a few people to come out.
Okay.
Okay, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, walking around, laying down, smoking, driving. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Cameron.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. Hi, good morning.
Morning. This is the People versus Dewan DeVos, ticket number Z808517, count one, operating with a high blood alcohol content. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Cameron.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant. State your name for the record, please.
Juan Dubose.
And Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with Mr. DeBose. There's no offer being made to him at this time. He wishes to set this matter for bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Mr. DeVos. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your right hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, the jury trial.
Yes. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Excuse me?
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder, will make the decision?
Do you want a bench trial or a jury trial, Mr. DeBose? He keeps freezing up, Your Honor. That's a problem.
Mr. DeBose, why don't you turn your video off? Because your connection doesn't seem to be very good. We'll come back to him. We'll come back to him.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Are you ready on Kenneth Dismute?
Yes.
This is the People versus Kenneth Dismute, ticket number SP1223675, count one, failed to use seatbelt assembly system, effective 1-1-86. And count two, drive while license suspended. Good morning. Please say your names for the record. Starting with Attorney Cameron.
And Your Honor, may I interrupt? Kenneth Dismute has a retained attorney, Mr. Maurice Davis.
Oh, I'm sorry. Mr. Davis, did you want to, starting with Attorney Davis, did you want to say?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
Okay. You can state your name.
Good morning. Maurice Davis, P 76203.
Mr. Dismute, say your name, please.
Kenneth Kyle Dismute.
Okay. Mr. Davis, did you kindly to avail himself to the offer of pleading responsible to the civil infraction and dismissing the other count?
Okay, is there an officer present today?
Is
No.
it set for trial?
Yes.
The officer did not sign in.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
I'm moving to dismiss, Judge.
All right, so it's dismissed without prejudice as the officer failed to attend to appear for court. And we're all set, Mr. Dismute. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, we're back on the matter of Z808517, the people versus Dewan DuBose.
Hello?
Mr. DuBose, do you want a bench trial or did you want a jury trial, sir?
Jury trial.
All right, so we will set the, you know, by having a bench trial, a jury trial, I don't have any open jury trial dates. So I can set this for a final conference on October 10th. And then hopefully some dates will open up. It may not be until 2023. All right?
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, so October, we'll do October 10th for final pretrial. Any questions?
October 10th.
Yep, yes, that'll be a final pretrial.
The final pretrial. Will it be another one after that, or that's?
Yes, it might, I just explained to you, I don't have any dates open for a jury trial, so they'll have another date, but it might be in 2023. I don't know when it's gonna open up.
Hello?
Did you hear what I said, Mr. DuBose?
Kicked me out again.
You're not kicked out, you're right here, we can hear you.
Mr. DuBose. Well, he's not gonna be able to do a jury trial with that type of connection for sure. Is he there? Mr. DuBose?
Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
DuBose. Pretrial date is October 10th at 8:30, sir. The court will try to set it for a jury trial in the next court date.
So he's all set.
You said October 10th, 2021.
October 10th.
Turn your video off, because your connection isn't strong. Turn your video off.
You want me to turn that off?
Turn it off, and then maybe we can hear you better, because this is taking like way longer than it should.
So turn mine off.
Yes, turn your video off.
Okay. Stop video.
Okay, so did you get the date, Mr. DuBose?
Yes, October 10th, 2021.
22, we're in 2022.
Yeah, 2022. I'm sorry.
That is the next.
And what
date
time?
At 8:35.
Okay, October 10th, 2022, 8:35.
Yes, any other questions?
Now, would that be the same Zoom number I'm using, right?
Yes, sir.
Or do I,
Same
so I'm
Zoom.
doing Zoom? I'm sorry.
For the next hearing, it's Zoom. I will try to find another jury. You want a jury trial, so I don't have any dates right now. I don't even know if I have any more this year. So hopefully when we come back, the calendar will open up and I'll be able to give you another date.
Okay, so I just make sure I'm there October 10th at 8:35.
Okay, have a good one, one, sir.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. This is the people versus Malcolm DeVoe. Ticket number P1275322, count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Cameron.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Malcolm DeVoe. Mr. DeVoe, state your name for the record, please.
Malcolm Anthony DeVoe.
Your Honor, Mr. DeVoe is going to plead to reduce charge or amended charge of improper plates with a dismissal of the other count pending before the court, which is the driving license suspended or revoked. We'll stipulate to probable cause on that matter. Thank you.
All right, Mr. DeVoe, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Cameron today in private about your case and your rights.
yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes,
Let to direct your attention to the date of November 10, 2021 at around 12:01 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Michigan Avenue and Shelby Street in the city of Detroit?
yes, ma'am.
Driving a 2006 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes,
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied, Ms. Cameron?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
All right, I'm also satisfied with factual basis will amend the count to improper plate. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining count.
Pardon, Judge?
And so you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining
Yeah.
count to be dismissed. Sorry.
Yes, Judge, we stipulate probable cause on the other count. Thank you.
Thank you. It's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. DeVoe, there's going to be a fine of $200. Can you have that fine paid by July 25th?
Judge, I need extension because what happened for
That's
some
fine.
reason,
That's fine. Okay, you win. Again, give me a moment. September 26th. Can you have paid by then?
I could have it paid in August, Judge. I just
Okay.
lost everything I had and I'm trying to get it back. I
Well,
lost
I'm
my
gonna-
wallet.
All right, I'm sorry to hear that, sir. I'm gonna do September 26th.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
I'm just, be clear, it says $200.
$200.
Okay,
All right, you are all set.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the People versus Ernestine Davenport. Ticket number P13222323, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P13222324, count one, defective brake lights. Good morning, please take your names for the record, starting with Attorney Cameron.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Davenport. Ms. Davenport, state your name for the record, please.
Ernestine Davenport.
Your Honor, Ms. Davenport is going to plead to a reduced charge or amended charge of improper plates. Upon acceptance of that plea, the other two matters will be dismissed. We'll stipulate to probable cause on those two matters.
Okay, all right, raise your right hand, Ms. Davenport. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
So you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Cameron today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of March 8th, 2022 at approximately 4:50 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Stoffel and Margarita in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2008 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Unregistered.
All right, you're satisfied, Ms. Cameron?
He's satisfied, Judge.
All right, the court will amend the counts in proper place. You previously stipulated to proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed. They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by July 25th, or did you need additional time?
If I can have some additional time, I do have my insurance now.
September 26th. Any questions?
No, you say September 26th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. The people versus Christopher Davis, ticket number P1325951, count one expired place. Ticket number P1325954, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, count two, improper plate. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Cameron.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Christopher Davis. Mr. Davis, state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Davis.
Your Honor, Mr. Davis is going to plead responsible to driving with expired plates. Upon acceptance of that plea, the other two matters will be dismissed. We'll stipulate to probable cause on those two matters that are being dismissed.
All right, and then you also stipulate to the face of the ticket as to the civil infraction.
Yes, we'll stipulate the face of ticket as a factual basis for the plea. Thank you.
All right, and so we will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $145 that is due on July 11th. Mr. Davis, do you have any questions?
You say there's a fee that's due on July 11th?
Yes,
this is-
$200, sir.
Right, it's 145.
Oh, sorry, 145. Sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm late. I'm currently laid off. I'll be laid off for the next 2 weeks. Is it possible? Could I get an extension?
I can add one more week. It's a civil infraction, that's the difference.
Okay.
I can add one more week, or you can do community service.
The one more week will be substantial.
Okay, so I can do July 18th.
I'll have it by then.
Okay, yes, I mean, if this were a misdemeanor, I could give you more time, but it's a civil infraction, so it's a difference, but the fine is a little cheaper.
I'll have it.
Okay, good luck to you, sir. Did you have any other questions?
No.
Davenport, you're all set.
Okay, thank
You're welcome. And then Ms. Dobie.
Just-
Oh, I have it right here. All right, this is the people versus Labrita Dobine. Ticket number P1276386, count one, defective brake lights, count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number P1276684, count one, driver license suspended. Ms. Dobine, turn your video on, please. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Cameron.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Dobine. Ms. Dobine, state your name for the record, please.
Labrita Dubine.
Oh, Divine. Okay, sorry about that.
I don't think you're ready right now. Let's recall your matter and get yourself together.
Me?
Yeah, got a scarf on your head?
Yes.
Yes, so you're not together. You're not appropriate for court now. So we'll recall your case so you can get yourself together.
Ms. Davenport, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Bennett, did you need to speak to Ms. Horn?
Miss Melinda.
Right.
We can't hear you, Mr. Bennett.
Have to today, Mr. Petaway explained what the issue is, so
Yes, yes. Is that for rent?
just to go on the record, Your Honor.
For the
Yes,
new
it is, Your
date?
Honor, yes.
No, it's Tamika.
Oh, hi, Ms.
Yeah, our
Horn.
officer has gone through a bout of COVID, pneumonia, and his mother's funeral is today. We didn't do anything. We just talked. So yeah, Mr. Bennett, did you need to go on the
Oh,
record?
man,
or did
okay.
you-
Well, there's no issue with the new date then.
Yeah, he called me first thing this morning, like 8:01. Okay, so you said.
You can go on the record if you're okay with that, Your Honor. That's up to you.
We don't have to. I'll put it out a month. How about July 25th at 8:35? That'd be fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
The 25th, I'm starting another trial. I think we talked about the 27th.
That's fine.
That would be okay. Okay, that would be perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem. We'll see everyone on Zoom then. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks. Bye. Mr. Renfro, you can sign off as well.
Okay, thank you.
Darnell, the people I have offers for are not the people that are in the breakout rooms.
Hey, okay, I'll bring them out.
No, I mean, do you have any other offers or does Louis?
Well, I have several people in the breakout room and waiting.
Oh. Can you
Melinda?
name these people on to the
Okay,
breakout room?
Yes, I can. It's
Okay.
Alexander Raeigen.
Yeah.
I have a David Rascal.
Just bring them out, Darnell. You need Runyon out, you need Rascal out, you need Ross out. You need Duckett.
Go out. I'm on the phone. What's up, man?
Please, you're in court. Please, you're in court.
You need both Richardsons out. But Miss Melinda,
Yes.
can we deal with Yvette? She's 8 hours of community service, she didn't complete it. So we need to go online with her, figure out what we're gonna do with that. And then we have a Davis.
Did she do it or not?
She didn't do it.
Oh, okay.
So she probably need, I don't know how Judge want to handle that one. Then we have a Davis that's in the waiting room already that you should have a recommendation on. And then the last one, it was Yvette Davis.
The
already out.
only offers I have are Alex Rundgren, Fred Ross, Trevlane Richardson,
not-
and Shirley
not-
Richardson.
Not the last batch I just sent you. I sent you a batch before that because they in the breakout room. Did you talk to anybody in 4, 6, and 9?
I don't have those offers. I have the original offers and then the 4 that I just talked to you about. I didn't get another email from you. I've only gotten 2.
Okay, for Davis, that's in the breakout room number 4. It has an offer. And that's the one you said there wasn't no name on it.
Oh, is that Christopher Davis?
No, that's Dorcina Davis.
Okay. What's the offer on that?
Well, from what prosecutor wrote, it looked like she's dismissing everything.
Okay. Oh, is that who that is? Let me
Yeah.
see. Those aren't the tickets that are on that one.
And then, on Jermaine Davis, he's in breakout room number 6. And basically, offer a fail to display.
Okay,
And then Yvette Davis, she's the one that hadn't completed the community service. So we can deal with those 3 real quick, and then that last batch will be the next batch you can deal with.
all right. All right,
Okay, everyone, listen up. I'm about to put you in what's called a breakout room. While you're in that room, wait patiently. Miss Melinda Cameron, your attorney, will be in there to assist you momentarily to discuss your offers with you. Be mindful that the judge is on the bench, that you are to present yourself as though you were in court. There's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, chewing gum, smoking blunts, walking around, or driving. Anything that will be disrespectful to the court, I will remove you. And if you are removed, you will either get another trial date or a warrant will be out for your arrest. I'm going to start with Alexander Raeigen or Grin. I hope I said that right. Okay, I'm gonna start with breakout room. I'm gonna go to 10. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 10. David Rasco, breakout room number 11.
Okay.
Mr. Ross, breakout room number 12. Miss Latanya Smith, breakout room number 13. Mr. Leonard Duckett, breakout room number 14. Ms. Shirley Richardson, breakout room number 15. Tulana Richardson, breakout room number 16. And that's it. Okay, now let me see everybody.